Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. So the footage comes from David Jarrett. It was caught on his dash cam while his car was parked. Just watch this clip and tell me what you think. Now, how fucking cool is that? The moment when that cyclist comes speeding past the corner, I just thought, holy shit, what is he going to do? I thought he was going to crash into the car with the camera on at first. He makes the corner, he judges it perfectly, he sees the guy backing up on the police, giving him a switcheroo. He does this amazing skid, comes off, and then legs it, somehow dropping his Deliveroo bag somewhere. Someone's food is absolutely ruined, but you know what? Who cares? They've caught a motorbike thief. Random guy outside the pub, just standing there minding his own business. I just imagine him thinking, oh, he's going to text his girlfriend Stacey. Bam! Takes a guy down. Deliveroo guy comes in, helps. Copper finishes off with his cuffs, and that's it. Game over. What an absolutely fantastic result. This made my day seeing this clip. I hope it's making your Friday as well, guys. Make sure you enter the competition to win those fantastic waterproof LDM gloves. Links are down in the description below. Also, if you want to get yourself a legit sticker, pop down into that description and head over to Teespring. Guys, you've been awesome. I've been legit. I'll see you in the next one.